In this video, we are going to discuss a very important tool in Audacity, and that is Envelop tool. And that is to resolve a very important issue, like you can see here on this clip, that in the starting of the recording, I actually screamed and then I moved to my normal voice. And now I want to equalize it or kind of reduce the sound of that particular selection, or let's say the overall clip. So let's actually listen to this clip first. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see, so I intentionally did it for this particular clip, but let's say if you want to reduce the volume of the overall clip or make a particular clip that is very high in volume to a softer version, what you can do is just make the selection on that particular clip and actually go to this tool, that is an Envelop tool. So let's click on it and it will show you these bars here. Now, whenever I want to, reduce the sound or make the sound softer, I'll just hold the mouse and move it towards inside. And now let's click on the selection tool back and let's listen to this. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see, so you can listen how it reduces the sound, and let's increase the sound again and let's say it to this volume. How you can configure or balance out so you can see the difference. So basically, if I show you again, let's click on the Envelop tool, and there are two layers to increase the volume. First one is this outer blue layer and second one is this white layer. So let me show you. Now I need to hold the dotted part and then increase the volume. That will increase the volume for the whole area. Now where these dots come from, whenever you make a particular selection anywhere here, so these dots appear by default, but if you want to move it anywhere, you can move it as well. Just hold these dots and move it anywhere you want, and then just hold from that dots to increase the volume. Now I've increased this bluer line to the maximum, but if you want to further increase this, just go to this edge and increase the volume from here as well, like this. So let me show you the difference. The volume in the starting looks like this. So if this is the first video you're watching, and when I increase the volume, it will be like this. Go back to the selection. So if this is the first video you're watching, so you can see the difference. Now let's move it back. And now comes the most important part, that if I want to reduce or increase the volume of the starting area only and not the whole clip. As you can see, the whole clip seems fine, but this specific speech in the starting is much louder than the whole clip. I'll just move my dots or selection to the starting point just after that loud speech, and then I can reduce this part. Just go to the edge right behind that dots and just reduce the sound like this. Similarly, if you want to increase before that, just hold the click here and just increase from that part. So it's kind of start from an increased volume, then reduces the volume of a particular clip, and then back to the increased volume. It's work like this. And when you have made all the settings, go back to the selection tool and just hear that. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going. So now this looks much balanced. This is a very important tool that you can practice on for recording and editing greater audios in Audacity.